Hello and welcome back again to my drinks channel. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Carbonated Spicy Cherry with Cocoa Beans and Chili Tea. First thing you gotta do is you put in the ice cubes into this mug. And then put the tea bag in, you pour in the water, and you put the dipping the tea bag into some ice water with some ice cubes, water with ice cubes, and last but not least, you pour in the club soda, the rest of it. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea. Thank you for watching. Peace with Prosper. Thank you.